channel. It's your girl BerryFae. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the Canvas Beauty Body Butters. Okay, their GLAZE collection. I'm not really sure the name, but it's going to be on the screen and in the title. But I'm super excited. I got mine from TikTok Shop when she had that amazing sale. Shout out to you, Stormy, for doing such an amazing job on TikTok and paving the way for a lot of us creators who are following behind you. So I'm super excited to finally unbox this. I've had this package for months, and I'm now getting around to opening it because I've already filmed everything else I have to film. So I'm super excited to get started with this. Let's get going. So this is what it looks like. The packaging, cute little thing. It's mini sets, so it's like a little sampler set. So I'm gonna try them out. Like if I like them enough, I'm gonna get the big size, but we got the sample set, so let's go into it. It's been a long time coming, you guys. I have been wanting to try this for a long time, but I've been so busy. Now we got the time. Ooh, I can already smell some of them, and I didn't even open it yet. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, so it just comes with the package and then this cute little note, and it just has all of the body glazes on here that I have in the sample set, plus this cute little QR. Check out my showcase or the links down below so you can get yours. But this is what they look like. We have 12 body butters. I don't know how I'm gonna necessarily try them, but I'm gonna smell them and give my opinion. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it. All right, so the names are on them, so we're just gonna go as we pick them out. So this one is it was very much fitting for me. This one is the Strawberry Shortcake. They kind of look like little lip balms, but these are body butters, okay? So this is the Strawberry Shortcake, the cutest little sizes ever. So Strawberry Shortcake, it literally smells exactly like what you expect Strawberry Shortcake to smell like. So let's just go put a little bit on the back of our hand. It kind of gives the feeling of like dipping your finger in kind of like a petroleum jelly. Not saying that that's what it is, but it gives the same texture as it. Ooh. Oh, wow. That's some moisture. I like that. I like that feeling. It literally feels like a balm. It feels like a very, very soft balm. Like, you know how lip balm feels like? That's what it feels like, but on the skin. And this one literally smells like Strawberry Shortcake. So this one, we're going to give her a 10 out of 10. I like it a lot. Again, it's very, very soft. Look at that glow. Okay, girl. All right, so next we have Marshmaw Toast. So freaking cute. I just love the packaging. I definitely am going to get some of the bigger ones because even the little ones are so cute. Okay, okay. It's going to be so hard to try all these on. So this is Marshmaw Toast. I'm not really smelling too much of the marshmallow yet, but look at that. Look at the way it just instantly moisture. Oh my gosh. Do y'all see the difference? Do y'all see the difference in just one tiny little bit? Oh, they are moisturizing. So I'm not smelling the marshmallow in here, but I do smell the toast. I smell the toasted, but I don't smell the marshmallow. I wish I smelled more of the sweetest, like sweet marshmallows. All right, got my towel. Use my towel and just try to wipe off the other one so I can put some right back on that same spot. So yeah, that one was really cute. That was a Marshmaw Toast. Let's go into the next one. The next one is Body Glaze Siama Premium. This is a premium one, okay? Oh, there's directions on it. Smooth all over your body and rub in thoroughly. Enjoy hydrated skin and a premium fragrance. Okay, so this is like a perfumey one. Ooh, this smells nice. So this is called Siama. Okay, Siama? Am I saying it right? I think that's what it's called, but this is what it looks like. All right, so that's Siama. It's a cute one. It's like a fragrance one. Get those elbows. Look at the way it just hydrates. If you don't get it for nothing else, get it for the hydration, because baby, that is literally so nice. I don't have anything that does that. Ooh, that one is good. It gives perfume vibes. I like this one. Oh, this one's gonna be at the top. 10 out of 10 for Siama. Definitely get this one. It's in like a burgundy package. It's called a Siama. She's so cute. Ah, this one is really, really good, y'all. Really good. I like that one a lot. All right, let's try to wipe that off. Oh. Next one is Drunken Peach. Oh, I know I'm gonna like this. This literally smells like a peach mimosa. All right, let's go to put it on the inner part of the arm. This is Drunken Peach. Oh yeah, that smells like a peach mimosa. I like this one. Ooh, Drunken Peach is so freaking good. It literally smells like you're drinking a mimosa with like a peach Bellini type of mimosa. That one is a 10 out of 10. I love that. Oh yeah, that's so good. Oh, this room smells so good already. Very fitting for the season. This one is called Falling For You. All right, let's try on Falling For You. I'm already getting all the feels. Yep, if you like that apple cider, that cinnamon type of smell, that's this one right here. Listen, perfect for the fall. Let's put you up here. That peach one, oh, smells so good. Oh, very warm, very cozy. I like this one a lot, 10 out of 10. Oh, this is nice. If you like fall scents, baby, this is a good one. Oh, very warm and cozy feeling. Ooh, I can't wait to pair this with my fall perfumes. It's gonna be so nice. 10 out of 10 Falling For You. Okay, so this is another one of the fragrance ones. This is called Siamo. Siamo. The other one's Siama. This one's called Siamo. Okay, it's definitely giving that fragrance again, that perfume type of scent. Ooh, it's so, the way it just like melts in the skin is really nice. Okay, this one kind of gives a little bit of masculine, not in a bad way. It's not very strong, but I could see like a man wearing this as well. This is very, very subtle. It's very deep. It's very warm. I like this. I'm gonna give this I'll give this an 8 out of 10. I like it because it does have that fragrance like a perfume. I think it's really cute. Siamo, she's cute. If you have a man in your life and you want to get him a body butter, get him the Siamo. Okay, it's again the gray one. It looks like it is for a man. This next one is limited edition. It is called Creme Puff. Yeah, exactly what I thought it would smell like. It's literally a cream puff, so that dessert-like smell. All right, let's put her on real quick. Literally a dessert in a bottle. I like it. It's cute. I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10. Cream puff, yeah, she's cute. Nothing major, but she is cute. I already know I'm gonna save that one for last, so let me skip over this one. Okay, so this one is so cute to me. This is the pineapple upside down, and look at the lettering. The upside down is actually upside down. Y'all cute, y'all clever. All right, so very, very tropical. I wish I could smell more of the pineapple. It does smell like a cake though. I want more pineapple in this one, but I do like the smell. I'm gonna give this a 7 out of 10. I just wish it was a little bit sweeter on the pineapple side, but it does smell like a cake, but it is cute. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. It's not my favorite, but it's cute. We're getting down to the last 4. Oh my gosh. All right, so the next one is going to be Caramel Creme Brulee. Caramel Creme Brulee. Say that 5 times. Caramel Creme Brulee. Caramel Creme Brulee. Caramel Creme Brulee. Caramel Creme Brulee. Caramel Creme. I cracked myself up. And instantly I smell the caramel. It smells really, really good. All right, if you like caramel, you're gonna love this a lot. These are so perfect for the fall time too, y'all. See that right there. Oh yes, I like her. I'm gonna give her a 9 out of 10. It's a lot of caramel, okay? It is for sure a caramel creme brulee. All right, it's cute though. I'm gonna give her a 9 out of 10. I wanna be the one you believe in your heart is sent from. Yeah, this is called Sent From Heaven. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. The packaging is giving. I love it. It's so pretty. Okay, what is it giving? Okay, it's very soft. It's very, very soft. I don't know what it smells like though. It's just like a very soft, everyday type of scent. It doesn't smell like anything very particular to me. It's just very soft. So if you need something that's very soft, not too heavy on the nose, I think that is cute. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10 because I honestly don't really know what it smells like, but it is a very nice, soft scent, but Sent From Heaven. It's like a really like everyday powdery type of scent. So yeah, she's cute. All right, the last 2. These are I think one of the these are some of the most popular ones, I think. So we have birthday cake frosting, and then we have icing for the skin. I think icing for the skin is the more popular one, but I'm gonna save that one for last. So we're gonna do the birthday frosting first. All right, birthday girl. Okay, literally smells like a birthday cake cupcake. Okay, it's literally giving birthday cake cupcake. Oh, that's definitely a cake, a cupcake for sure. It's definitely giving confetti. It's so cute. It's not my favorite, but it's cute. Okay, so if you got any lotions, perfumes that are really, really sweet and like fun, I would definitely pair that together. I don't really like smelling like cake, but it is a cute scent. I'm gonna give that a 7 out of 10. All right, so last but not least, we have icing for the skin. All right, this is again, I think the most viral one. If I'm not mistaken, this is icing for the skin. It's literally like a donut. So let's go ahead and put her on up here. Okay, let's get our icing on. Okay, so it definitely smells like icing. It literally smells like a glaze. It's very nice, but it's not my type of scent, but it's cute. I think I'm definitely gonna get a lot of wear out of it because it will go well with a lot of the fall perfumes that I have, you know, having that nice icing base and then putting a smoky perfume on top. I think that's gonna be cute. I'm gonna give that an 8 out of 10. All right, it's definitely giving icing for sure. All right, you guys, so that is the end of this video. Let me know if you guys ever tried out Canvas Beauty body butters, and if so, what are your favorite ones, okay? My top 3 from this haul, the Siyama, that one right there, it just gives perfume vibes. I love her, 10 out of 10. I love the Strawberry Shortcake, very, very sweet strawberry and cake-like. And then I am gonna go with the Falling For You. Falling For You is very, very nice, especially in this season of fall. I think those are gonna be my top 3 right now. And yeah, those are my top 3. Here we go. They're cute. So if you haven't tried them out, I'm gonna link down the TikTok shop that I got it from, which is Canvas Beauty. I love buying things on TikTok shop because it's fast shipping, it's free shipping, and you're supporting the brand on TikTok. So I love that. Okay, so definitely check them out, Canvas Beauty. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. Take care.